Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to find agency on Bigo Live. These agencies you can actually apply to be their host. In order to find agencies on Bigo Live, the first step you have to take is to log into your Bigo Live app on your mobile device. The next is to click on the Me option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Creators option. So right here, all you have to do is to click on Apply for Official Host. You can click on the Apply option close to any of the recommended agencies to make your request. Let's say I click on this. So right here, you can make your request and then send it to the agency. So guys, that is it on how to find agencies on Bigo Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.